Welcome back to the channel. On this walk around video, we're going to be talking about this 2020 Chevy Silverado RST. This RST has the 5.3 liter V8 with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is a double cab. And I mean, double cabs are hard to come by nowadays. A lot of people like the crew cab for the room, but like farms, work trucks, a lot of people like the double cab and you just can't find them. This does have remote start and hands-free tailgate. You have all these tie-down points, all these little black. You got 3 there, 3 there, 3 here. There's 21 in total tie-down points. You have this rear side bumper step, help you up in there. Excuse me. Chevy wheels. Let's go inside here and look at some of these features that this RST comes with. You have power locks, power windows, power mirrors. You have your tow haul mode. Here's your lights, your interior lights, your light for your bed. 4 high and 4 low. Uphill assist. You have your heated steering wheel. Your Bluetooth controls, your cruise control. Your cluster. You have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It is wired. Your backup camera. This does have the trailering app on it, and you have an integrated brake controller down here. You have heated cloth black seats. Automatic start stop, which you can turn off. Tailgate down, all windows down, 1 button, that's nice.